Yo, eyes up here. Quit staring at my cocks. That's right. Today, I'm gonna show you how to spatchcock a chicken. If you've never spatchcocked a chicken, you're in for a treat today. Spatchcocking is quite cool. You've cut out the spine, flatten out the chicken. They cook really nicely. First off, you need some awesome shears. Just go on each side of the spine like this. And sometimes it's tough, but you just cut right through those bones, everything, get right in there. You're cutting that spine straight out of the chicken entirely. Finish him! The sharper the shears, the better the shears, the easier this job is. There are the spines. And we're going to use these. These will not go to waste. These are going to be put on the smoker as well, and then we're gonna throw them in the pressure cooker. We're gonna make stock out of them. All you gotta do is come in here, come closer. See that right there? That's where the wishbone is. All you gotta do is do a little cut, just like that. Super soft, super easy, and then just give it a little CPR. You've got this nice, sexy chicken kicking back poolside, like so. Do the same thing with the other one. Right in there, right in the middle where the breasts meet. And give it a little CPR. You hear it crack, flip her over, fold the wingtips under like that. We are good to spice these things up. I'm also going to take the skin and I'm gonna reach up under here because I'm gonna spice up under this. This is also the night before we're gonna cook. There's a shortage of perfect breasts in the world. It would be a pity to damage yours. Just work your fingers all the way down. You wanna get some spices in there. And as soon as you're done with that, wash your fucking hands. Now that we have our perfectly spatchcocked chicken, we have Calabrian peppers, Calabrian, Mandalorian, Cabron, Calabrian. It's Italian. It's some sort of Italian hot pepper. Calabrian. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dress the front side first, because I'm gonna let these sit overnight upside down, and I want the main of the spices to hit the meat and work its way through to the front. But we're only gonna do this underneath the skin. These get pretty spicy, so we don't wanna get crazy. But we want to pack this up under here. It's got salt in there as well. Calabrian peppers and salt. There's a lady on Beachbody, Autumn Calabrese, and I'm pretty sure that these are her peppers. Get them all down there. Even if you have a blowout, it's okay. Don't worry about the blowout, just work around it. Take some of that oil too and just kind of spread it over the skin like this and be our binder. We're gonna spice now that we've rubbed these down. This is my clean hand, this is my dirty hand. This is what I've touched the chickens with, and this is clean. Clean, clean, dirty, dirty. First, a good sprinkling of salt. We got pepper, and look what I did. I drilled my holes bigger. Seasoned in the abyss. Salt, we're gonna go heavy on this side because we want it to go down into the meat. Pepper. Seasoned in the abyss. These will now go in the fridge, just like this, until tomorrow, raw, uncovered, until we put them on the smoker. Next, we're smoking him. We got these chickens out of the refrigerator. They've actually been sitting for 2 days because that's just how it worked out. And all these spices sort of soaking in and drawing out the moisture, but then also drawing in the spices. Because we're firing up YoderLayHeeHoo today to smoke these chickens. I'm surrounded by chicks. Right, let's button it up. Little ditty about smoking chickens. Lyrics sort of small, forgetting the lyrics again. Oh yeah, smoking chickens. Smoking chickens, yeah, smoking chickens. Oh. We let these things ride till about 150, and then we're going to flip them over, put about 4 pats of butter on here, wrap it up super tight, stick it back in there. We'll only lift it up till about maybe 155, 160, and then we're gonna pull them off, let them cool, and then finish them off in the oven. I'm convecting them at 500. We're gonna try to crisp up that skin, get it real super rad. Let's unwrap these bitches. Right now they're temping at about 160-ish. So what we really want to do is just lay them out and get this out of there. Look at how juicy those are. We're gonna crisp those up.
And then we will cut into them and see how delicious they are.
About 3.5 hours on the smoker, wrapped up at about 150, 152 with some butter. Then let sit on the smoker till about 160, pull them off, let them raise to about 162 or so, and we smack them in the oven, convect 500 degrees, and just crisp up that skin. This is how we're supposed to test the ultimate crispiness, right?
Flash my throat, no stay can't stop my heart. She'll see no daylight in my soul. I know you're in your coffin, but just so every open. I hear you say to me,
Go.
something's just one step buried. Until the light of day. Oh yes, I'm coming for you.
Look at that, juicy.
Oh my lord.
Yeah. Yeah. Ha. So hot.
Miles and years apart has split her memory. Locked away and screaming, I still know.
That hickory smoke was so good. Flavor, amazing. It's so good letting it sit. So you can taste those Calabrian peppers in there. Gives it some tang, but not overpowering, not over hot. But as you can tell, that is juicy, juicy, juicy. Ow, ow. Hold it. And that skin. So flavorful and tasty.
I'm drooling. I'm fucking I'm literally spitting on myself. Quick smoked chicken on the pellet grill. So good. The ultimate cock block.
I will become